Welcome to my channel, and today's video is I am going to share with you guys the applications that I use in editing my pictures and how I edit my pictures. By the way, I posted last year about the different applications that I use in my blog, and I hope it will be helpful. So I'm just gonna link my blog below. And yeah, guys, check it out because it has a lot of good stuff there that can really help you in your life and future endeavors. So let's start now. Actually, I tried like a lot of applications, mobile editing applications for the past years because I just love discovering applications and editing my photos, editing videos, stuff like that. I am into that. But being a girl that has only 32 gigabytes space in iPhone, I learned to minimize the application that I use and use only the applications that I really need. It made me realize that almost half of the applications that I have in my phone is really useless. Like I just have them for the sake of having them, and it's crazy. So let me guys share to you the application that I've been loving so far. First thing first is for layouts, I use Instagram. This one, Instagram layout. Let's make use of the free things or stuffs, right? Sometimes when I feel like I need it to be artistic or aesthetic, I use Unfold, and this is actually a free applications, but it has in-app purchases. For example, this I bought 3 frames, and it's very easy, but it also has like free templates naman, like the CS1, yeah, CS1 templates. There's actually like a lot to choose from. Most of the pictures that I post on Instagram is I just don't use like a lot of filters. I used to like put shit tons of filters to the point that I can't even see my nose anymore. But I deleted all of that and decided to just stay with neutral stuffs, and I want my Instagram feed to look like me. Do you get the point? If you guys like want to know how I edit my Instagram photos, it's just like this. I don't have like the whole range of filter because I can't afford them, and I don't know how to hack them like what my friends did. So I just use like the A4 or A6 and reduce like the amount of filters that I use, so it will look like more natural and stuff. So I also lowered the exposure sometimes. I just play with the exposure. And the last one is grain. I love putting noise or grain on my pictures for that filmy look. I'm very into that. So yes, I put grain pictures on my face. And yeah. And for consistency, I just click the 3 dots here and copy edits, and whenever I want something, whenever I post something that and I want it to be consistent, I just click it and paste edits, and that will do the trick for me. It's just that simple. The next application is really nice. Like, it's one of the best applications that I really downloaded. It's actually called Dazcam. It has those vintagey look, vintagey vibe, film camera vibes. That there's like a lot of video things that you can choose from. Example, for this 16mm, just have this ND filter here, and yeah, let me actually use it for you guys. So I love this D-Fun S, and I use this often. This half also, I use this like a lot of time, and it has a very good finish. And another favorite is this original And inst SQC, you can choose frames here. And so it's very nice. It's like, I feel like a cheese ball talking about this camera. I actually used Dashcam to vlog during my Grafica Manila trip. It's very flexible. It gives that filmy look. And also, I'm going to teach you guys some Instagram tricks that I know. Is you want to post a picture or like a collage, but you don't have collage applications like PixArt or PhotoGrid. So what you just have to do is, example, this one. So you just need to select a picture, and you just have to like, if you want to choose a background, you just have to like eyedropper and choose the background color you want. Example, this. So I went for this like dark teal something, and I just have to like long press this one. So I now got the background. So you just need now the pictures. So go to your camera roll or gallery and choose a picture that you want to do a collage with and just select this one and copy and go back to your Instagram account, and yeah, it will pop up, and just add sticker. Yeah, you can actually move it or resize it, anything you want. And let's pick another picture for collage. So you just have to copy that and do the same thing again. Yeah, basically that. Ta-da! That's it. And I don't know if it works in Android though, but there are like a lot of applications that does the same thing, so I'm going to link down below any alternatives in case you are not using iPhone. So that's it. Guys, if you have any suggestions or video suggestions, please comment down below, because I will be trying my best to make it happen for you. So thank you. But anyway, bye!